Lucas, welcome. How you
Hi.
doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, dude, we're excited to talk to you. I'd seen you another person that's been in our comments. We see a lot of JTVO, and you had mentioned your chart's starting to turn around. So maybe there's some development you're doing there on that end to kind of fuel us. But let's hear a little bit. We'd love to know, Lucas, what's your background? How did you get into AI, and like what drew you to launch a token?
All right. So my name is Luca. I live in Indonesia. My background is chemical engineering. So I was in chemical engineering students, and this year I was all in into AI since early 2025. After I'm quit from crypto when Trump and Millennia top at January. So it was I built a new ventures, a new startup. It's called AI Accelerate. Basically, the legal name of the JTVO is AI Accelerate. So it was already several months I built the AI Accelerate, which the one of the product is inferencing. I built GTVO is actually since April 2025, and I launched this token because a lot of my friends, ping me, hey, there is a startup token. It's called Believe. So basically, I was in trenches for 2 years. I have crypto community also. I have Telegram groups which has 4,000 members for meme coin, and but I still have my professional works at the time. And then my friend pinged me, hey, just launch a token. And then I prepare the GTVO for 3 days. I make a logo, I make a website, prepare all of it, and I just launched. And then the first day I got almost 20K US dollar of fees. So you can see my chart at first 7 days, it's stuck at 100K. You can see it's very organic. 7 days I keep yapping, and then I tried one-on-one. I DMs, I talk with people, and suddenly we have cables from Korea and China, and it brought us to 7 million. It's organic. I didn't pay anything. And then I just biased at the time. I didn't sell much because I got a lot of fees. We raised almost 185K US dollar from the fees, but I put 100K US dollars to the chart. So I control maybe 10% of the supply from the fees.
Wow, that's awesome. Let's hear about what's JTVO. What's its moat? What do you guys
All
do
right.
differently than
So
everyone else?
I'm already in AI since the early ChatGPT in November 2022, if you remember the first ChatGPT release. And in the 2023, I make a wrapper of the AI. Like you can chat with Anthropic, you can chat with Perplexity, you can chat with Grok in one platform. It has 3K US dollar of revenue per month. So basically, I was in AI for 3 years, and then in 2025 when Five's coding rising, right? You can use V0, you can use Replit and so on to build apps. And then I seen the opportunity to have all in here. And then I made, can I share screen here?
Yeah, you can share your screen. Yep.
Okay, I
We
said
love
you.
we love live demos.
All right. So can you see my screen?
Yes, you're
Yep.
good, dude.
All right. So it is the inspiration of GTVO. I live in Florida. Make me cook and coffee shop called Microjumps LLC. Right. So basically, it's I make a fast website builders. It's very fast. It's suitable for like small enterprise businesses.
Oh, look at that. Microcap Gems website.
It is native using DeepSeek because the DeepSeek at the time is pretty suitable for UI UX website builders. And boom, it's already live. We can micro jumps, check, deploy.
That's pretty cool. Geez, that
Uh,
happened fast.
all right. So
Dude, you did that all live? That was not prepped at all.
I will chat here for the website. So
I'm firing my web guy, and I'm hiring you because that was much faster.
Okay, so it is just a showcase of how inferencing works, but I use third party. So I need to pay a host. I need to pay a server for this to host the AI. And then why I didn't make like an aggregator of its AI inside my server. So and then I built the GTVO. The basically it's like a decentralized inference when you use OpenAI, when you use DeepSeek inside the website, you are competing with hundreds millions of people on earth in one server, in their server. So it is slow. Let's say let make me a PRD of Solana Rust code for DeFi. Oh, sorry, it's very fast. It's 1,000 token per second. Make it in Chinese.
Wow, that is very quick response, and it puts out a lot. Holy cow.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we have several options here. There is mostly open source like Metalama and then DeepSeek and then Kimi and KLM. But I put Grok because yeah, we live in X Twitter from the Elon Musk. I want to try to bring the narrative here. And yeah, this is just one of the showcase, but I want to show you the presentation that I use always this for the pitch deck for the investor or something. And we brand us like full stack AI platform, and we already raised from the fees, but this money I use most of them for buyback, and I bought GPUs from the Nvidia. I spent almost 30K to for the infrastructure. So the basic things here, I want to be a micro startup. You can't make a startup only one startup right now, because let's say you want to make a summarization product. Let's say we are on the meeting. You have an agent to summarize your presentation, but then now Notion or ChatGPT, it can summarize it. It can record your Zoom. It can record your Google Meets, and your startup will die very quick because we have a very fast pace on the AI. And so I make a stack here. So I make a cloud infrastructure like that for the baby neo clouds, and then I also have AI labs, which if I have a client from oil and gas, from the finance, I need to fine tune their needs, and then I also have a chainlet here for the agents, and then the application that site builder is one of the application, and we have several application. And the last application that I built yesterday is because I heard um, I heard Arthur Hayes bought $1 million of bio, so I make a bio product here. Let's say COVID spike executing research, it will show the structure DNA, a protein of the COVID here.
How did you make this? Do you have a background in
Yeah,
biology?
because my background is in chemical engineering.
Chemical and
I
yeah.
know I
Right.
know a bit, but it's not too much. But I have friends in genomics industry, so we had a talk, and then yeah, because the Arthur, the highest buying the bio, and then I think the quarter 4 here is good. Have a good narrative about the decentralized science, and then yeah, I just make this. It is basically a chatbot also, but it's specialized in what the protein we are talking here, and then we have the engineering here when you basically need to run the web lab. I mean, you need to experiment here, designing the protein with E. coli, and you get the results of the DNA here.
So
And
this specific product, it's one of kind of umbrella of things that you guys do. Um,
yes,
how do you monetize this
all right.
specifically?
So we have around wait. So we have a several product because we can't rely on one product. Maybe venture capital want only one product, but I don't see the startup in specific one product because it can dying very quick with the very competitive. If you know Theo from T3 chat, if you know.
I don't think I've heard of that.
It's like a chatbot aggregator. It's a lot of business model in there. But basically, the GTVO itself already running the MRR maybe less than $100 per month, but in all of product, we got $6K per month. So it's like a consulting. We do AI training, and we also serve the APIs.
And this is right now. You're doing 6K a month right now.
Yes, right now from the all businesses.
Interesting.
And I once showed you the alpha that we built for the quarter 4. So do you know Render Token?
Yes,
Yeah.
we're familiar with Render.
I was the maybe early trances at 2021 with the of the Render Token, and it's inspired me because you can do the decentralized computing power at the time. So if you want to render your Blender or the graphic design, you can just send to the render server or cloud. It's basically the same. You can run your AI inside your computer. Do you know?
No, I didn't know that.
Lamaran.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let's
So
see.
basically, you can download the Olama here. Olama run Olama 3.2. Okay, so it is Llama with 2 billion parameters. It is from Mark Zuckerberg, from the Meta. So basically, you can run the AI inside your computer, but I think it's pretty okay. So what is Solana token? Explain its history. It is no need internet here. It's running locally in your computer. But for the JTVO platform, I have my own GPUs. It's cost almost $10K per GPUs. So basically, I want to gather the computing power from the consumer laptop and GPUs. Let's say you run your laptop, you run my software. I will hit your computer. I need your computing power because I have client to use AI inside my platform, but my platform has no computing power. It is distributed. I will hit you and you do the jobs. Your computer is like a crypto mining, and I will give you a token like a mining token from the revenue. It is I still working from the blockchain integration for this because this market opportunity of this product or on the business is very huge. It's multi-billion US dollar, and it grows every year.
So
Like that.
just because I'm trying to understand what you're doing, it seems like you're very talented and you're doing a bunch of different interesting things here. But so the JTVO token represents this company, or is it a specific like product that you want people to
All right.
know about?
Right. So it's interesting part because the belief itself, the playbook itself, they state that you don't need or you must know tell the investor or the believers to represent the token as the equity. It is clearly stated in that. But right now, when investor come into my company, hey, I want to purchase your 5% shares of your equity company. All right, you give me $1,000 of what $100,000 of cash, but you need to put 30% into the chart because it's more liquid. Because if you trust the money in me in that amount of money, I will not use it. Maybe it's suitable for 1 year of the runway, and I don't need that much money. So basically, you can buy equity, and 30% of the money will be going to chart, and you get the free token with the equity like that. It's like a conversion.
Right. So you're working on these types of projects. Clients are paying you money, and then you're taking 30% of that money and putting it into the chart. Is that correct?
Yeah. For that money is basically from the revenue of profit from my own wallet. But that 30%, it means if you want to invest in my company as the equity investment, I will put 30% of your money to the chart. You need to buy the token of the 30% of the money, but you keep 100% of the equity from that money.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's for equity investment. But so what I'm trying to understand is just why have a token? What role does the token play? Is it to just build community, to align people to certain things? Or
All
are
right.
you building a product where you use the token inside it?
Yeah. Basically, some of my product has a token integration, but it paid in using USDC or Sol. It's already live. When you use my chatbot product inside the GTVO platform, several people already use it and they pay it regularly, and they need to pay using crypto USDC or Sol. And then I use that amount of money to purchase or buy back the token.
And at this point, like I know you said that you have to pay via USDC or Sol. Do you have like an integration on your website to make that experience kind of easier for the user, or how is that looking from a user standpoint? Are they just sending it to a wallet, or are they coming directly to your website and there's like a process that you have in place to kind of make that easy for your customers?
Yeah, I use Helio Pay, Solana Pay, Hel.io. I
Okay.
integrated. It's already live, but I think I can't demo it here. But I still maintenance for that, but it's already live in our platform.
Gotcha. Nice. I mean, that's pretty. That's some pretty insane tech that you have going on. There's again a lot that you're working on. We can tell that you're a pretty smart dude, especially with the chemical engineering background and some.
Are your
Um,
so one angle I want to just explore, are your holders mostly from like Chinese and from China?
Yeah, in the early rise of the GTVO, is most of them in Chinese and Korea, and also we have several VCs. But I realized that there was VC when we already at the top, and then some of them paying the checks listing. We listed on L Bank at the time.
Got it. And your 4,000 meme coin group that you have, they're Chinese investors?
No, it's local. It's local in Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Cool.
I mean,
If we
yeah.
had to wrap this, sorry, Josh, to interrupt.
No. Go ahead.
If we had to wrap this with some like forward-looking ideas, what can we expect to come next for JTVO? What can people look forward to? Yeah, if we had to get an idea of what the holders and JTVO fans should be looking forward to, could you give us an idea of what's coming next?
All right. Well, the coming next is we will do that distributed computing power. You can mine our token at in maybe it started in Q4 2025. When I have a client to hit my chatbot, I will send the jobs or the text to your computer or the laptop.
Got you.
And when you're saying that, sorry, just your distributed computing. So this is other people contributing their GPU power, and then you're using that to process tokens and tokens are just basically things that the AI is doing.
Yes. I mean the LLM tokens, right? Not GTVO token.
Okay, got it. And that's the core use case of the platform.
Yes,
Is distributed compute.
You need to hold several millions of tokens. But also, I have also the use case you can see on my X is a bit similar with Pale AI. It already live also. Check it. Please open GTVO Twitter account.
Okay,
So it's called GTVO Timelapse. It's
I'm
already
pulling
live.
it up.
We have revenue from it, but not much. Like I asked several groups that integrating this stuff to hold to lock 1 million tokens for several months.
Okay, so what am I looking for here?
Yeah, that one. You can open it. Yes, this one. It is like summarize. If you usually turn notification of the crypto account or X account. You don't need to do that because I already integrated with Telegram. You can see in the live product in the QRT, the quote above it. You can back.
Oh, yeah. The quote tweet.
Back. That's it. It's called JTVO Timelapse. So basically, I log several accounts and it's summarized of that tweet every hour.
Okay. James 125x long, fact check. Okay.
Yes. It's like a perplexity or something, but I wrap it using orchestration. If you ever heard Zapier or N8N, it's a viral things to do the AI orchestration. I use that and the products like that.
Very cool. Well,
Got
then
it.
we'll be keeping eyes on JTVO and what you guys have coming soon. So thanks for hopping on the stream. I think that'll be a good time to pan it over to the Outlast app.
Yeah, thank you so much for
Thank
having
you,
me.
Luca. Good
Yeah,
luck,
Thank you.
buddy.